Hello, period 4. I hope you're having a great day today. Please be on your best behavior. You should have already completed the spiral checkpoint for today and got that into the tray. And you should have also listened to the entire worksheet 215 video. We did worksheet 215 yesterday in class. If you were not here yesterday, make sure that you watch that video and kind of work through page 215 with me so that you know what's going on for today. Okay, you should have also completed this first worksheet in your packet for today, 1 through 7, before listening to this video. So if you have not done 1 through 7, please pause and practice some more finding slope, and then unpause and watch this video. Here we go. Yesterday we talked about we should be labeling these X and Y, and remember to find slope, we do the change in Y over the change in X. So the way I talked about this yesterday, the change in Y from 5 to 4 on the number line is 1 hop to the left. Anytime we go left, that's a negative. The change in X from 4 to 5 is 1 hop to the right, which would be a positive when we go to the right. And then we can just simplify. A -1 divided by a +1 is -1. Number 2, to go from 0 to 1, that is 1 hop to the right on the number line, so that's a +1. From 0 to -6, that is 6 hops to the left on the number line, which gives us a -6. A positive and a negative is a negative, so our slope is -1/6. That negative does not matter if you keep it in the numerator, the denominator, or out front. It all means the same. It's a negative slope. Okay, from a -3 to a +5, that is 8 hops to the right, so that is positive. From a -1 to a +6, that is 7 hops to the right, so that is a +7. Do not change this into a mixed number. That does not make sense as a ratio. It's a comparison of two numbers. So you're just going to leave this as 8/7. It is positive and it is in simplest form, so we're good. Number 4, from 4 to 0, that is 4 hops to the left on the number line, so that's a -4. From 11 to 7, that is also 4 hops to the left, so that's a -4 as well. A negative and a negative cancels and forms a positive, and 4 divided by 4 simplified is 1. So that is a slope of +1. Number 5, from a -4 to 0 would be 4 hops to the right. That's a +4. From 7 to 0, that's 7 hops to the left, which is a negative. So -4/7 for your slope. Number 6, from +3 to -5, that's 8 hops to the left, which is a negative. From 0 to +1, that is 1 hop to the right, so that's a positive. And then a -8 and a +1, that slope is just a -8. And then the last one, from 0 to -1, that's 1 hop to the left, that's negative. From +2 to -6, that's 8 hops to the left, which is also negative. A negative and a negative cancels and forms a positive. So we should have a +1/8. Okay, there is a completely separate video, unfortunately, for slope of a line day 2 that you will now do with the next video that you will find in Canvas.